Hey y'all, thanks for finding Sweet Carolina Kiss. So today I'm going to be showing you just a simple everyday foundation routine. So here I'm doing 1 pump of color correcting tinted moisturizer in the shade Light and 1 pump of our anti-aging foundation in the shade Dewy. And I'm just going to go ahead and dab this all over my face and use kind of a flat concentrated foundation brush. And first I'm going to dab that in, and then you can kind of swirl it around to buff it out. Next, I'm going to be using Shadow Sense in the shade Mocha Java, just to kind of contour my cheeks a little bit. Nothing too crazy, just put a little line there and use that same brush that we used for the foundation to go ahead and smooth that out. Just kind of helps carve out your cheekbones a little bit. Then we can also use a few dots to also add some bronze and contour to the rest of the face. So on top of the forehead, the sides of the nose, and under the chin. Next, I'm going to be using a small angled brush, again with Mocha Java, just to fill in my eyebrows. I've got pretty thick eyebrows, so I don't need to do a whole lot, but just to kind of fill in the missing pieces, I like to take Mocha Java and just kind of fill that in. See what a huge difference it makes from the left eyebrow to the right. So again, just short little strokes, kind of filling in what is missing already with Mocha Java. I love Mocha Java and all of our products because they're all so versatile. We can use them in so many different ways, and they're all anti-aging and long-lasting. Okay, next I'm going to be using our bronzing powder. It comes in this convenient little to-go case, so the powder is in there along with the brush, and I'm just using that to go over the spots that I went with Mocha Java, just to kind of bronze out that contour a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be using our Blush Sense and this huge fluffy brush, and this is the shade Toasted Rose. You literally need 2 tiny little dots like that. And I just go ahead and dab it on my cheeks and kind of dab and blend in circles up towards my hairline. I love our Blush Sense because, again, anti-aging and long-lasting. It lasts all day. All right, similar to the bronze powder, we've got the translucid powder. It comes again in this convenient little to-go packaging, and that just kind of seals everything together and makes everything look more matte. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this super simple and super easy everyday foundation routine. Make sure y'all let me know what you think of this tutorial, and I will see you next time.